Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Uber with debit card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Uber. So open up your Uber app and then log into your account. You need to be logged into your account, so just log into your account. Once you've done that, so what you need to do now is, if you want to pay with Uber, if you want to pay Uber with your debit card, you need to add your debit card to your payment to your account in Uber. So to do that, go to your account tab here, click on the account tab and then simply go to your wallet, and then when you get to wallet you will see your payment methods here. So simply click on add payment method, and then all you have to do now is simply select credit or debit card option. So select that and then add in your card details and everything, your debit card details, and then hit on save, and then this will add your card as your payment method. So once this has been added, then you can simply pay for your trips using your card. By default it will be charged from your debit card that you just added, as you have already set it as your payment method, preferred payment method. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.